Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We would like to present our paper entitled The Influential Factors of Student Understanding in Mathematics Lesson. My name is Miftah Fauzi. Introduction. In the education system in Indonesia, mathematics is one of the subjects that must be studied by all students from elementary, middle, high school to college levels. Learning mathematics requires good understanding and arithmetic of student because the material is in the form of definition and formulas, which of course require good understanding. On the one hand, learning mathematics will be fun when students enjoy learning it, and this will make mathematics easier to understand. On the other hand, students would become bored, lazy, and even become afraid of mathematics lesson. Learning abilities are influenced by two aspects, namely internal and external experts. Internal experts refer to the student themselves. For example, motivation, interest, attitudes, cognitive skills, and student skills. External experts that influence students include the teacher, teaching methods, teacher mastery of the material, the role of parents, the role of friends, and the condition of the learning place. Methodology. This research apply a descriptive qualitative approach. The data collection method is by conducting interviews with teachers who teach mathematics and students as informant. The teachers being interviewed were elementary school teachers who taught mathematics in grades 4 and 5. The second informants were elementary school students in grades 4 and 5. The place of research was carried out at Al-Azhar 157 Jambi Islamic Elementary School. The research was carried out for approximately 1 month from January 7 to February 7, 2023. Result: interview with 4 and 5 grade elementary school mathematics teacher. The subject taught by the teacher is mathematics for grades 4 and 5 elementary school, namely thematic. Factors that influence student understanding so that they can learn well are related to learning methods, learning strategies, and learning media that make students understand. The difficulty faced in teaching is student focus because teaching during the day. Another difficulty in the last 2 years has been the COVID pandemic, so it needs to be repeated because the lesson start from the beginning again. The tip to make the lesson interesting is to teach it interestedly. Don't be monotonous. Don't just lecture, but intersperse it with good learning media. For example, teaching aids, namely cubes, and for multiplication, use flashcard. Based on the result of the interview with the teacher, it can be concluded that the factors that influence student understanding the learning methods, strategies or planning for the teaching and learning process and media or learning facilities. Results. Their favorite subject is mathematics. The reason why they like because mathematics is fun. As for mathematics, the part that they don't like is geometry because they don't know how to do it or how to solve it. Their favorite calculation is multiplication because it is easy to understand. Based on the result of interview with students, it can be concluded that the factors that influence student understanding are their interest in the content or subject matter and the teacher's method of delivery so that they can understand it. Discussion. Based on the result of an interview with teachers, it can be concluded that the factors that influence student understanding are learning methods, strategies or planning for the teaching and learning process and media or learning facilities. This result supports previous research by Mayasari, Natsir and Zulfia 2022 that the learning methods it is also in line with Nasri et al. 2022 who state that one of the factors that influence student low mathematics test achievement is instrumental factor which can be categorized, categorized as learning methods. Specifically, based on the result of interview, Learning media such as cubes and flashcards play a role in facilitating the understanding of mathematics lesson at Al-Azhar 157 Jambi Islamic Elementary School. Discussion. In addition to method based on the result of interview with teachers, it was also found that tools used in the teaching and learning process, for example, teaching aids and flashcards, had an influence on the learning process. This result is in line with research by Nasri et al. 2022, who call it an instrumental factor. Additionally, to learning methods and media factors in the interview, it was also mentioned environmental factors during the day which caused students not focus. Nasri et al. 2022 and Ridoi 2022 mentioned them as school environmental social factors, while Rosmaini 2023 calls them as physical condition factors. Students are not focused. Discussion based on the result of interview with students in grades 4 and 5 of elementary school, it was concluded that interest in the content or subject matter and the teacher's method of delivery had an influence on understanding mathematics lesson. The result of this research support previous research by Majida 2021, Safitri et al. 2021, Nasri et al. 2022, and Ridoi 2022 that interest has a significant effect on student understanding in relation to teacher factors. The interview results support Majida 2021 research which states that teacher performance influence student understanding in mathematics lesson. By referring to the result of interview, it would be necessary to offer solution to improve student understanding, especially of mathematics lesson. The solution is in the form of creating creative animation to attract student interest and attention. Additionally, it is also important to implement a relaxed and a challenging learning atmosphere and encourage students to express their opinion, ideas, so that students feel that learning is something like playing. Conclusion. Based on the result of the discussion in the previous chapter, the following conclusion can be drawn. The factors that influence student understanding in mathematics lesson are: first, internal factors, namely student interest, motivation, attitudes, and efforts to understand the learning material. Second, external factors, namely methods or ways of learning, strategies or planning for the teaching and learning process and media or learning facilities. The suggestion that can be put forward are the necessary for creativity of teachers to create interesting learning materials. For example, with animation, implementing interactive activities in the learning process, for example, through games. With this slide, I end my presentation. Thank you. If any input or suggestion, please.